If you want to buy a home, but you have no idea where your down payment is coming from, this video is for you. If you have some money saved already, but you really want a bigger down payment, this video is also for you. Today, I'm covering down payment hacks that you need to know to help you with your home purchase. So hit that like button and keep listening. First, let's just go ahead and get this out of the way. I want to bust that myth that you need 20% down to buy a home. It is not true. You only need 3 to 5% down as your minimum down payment, depending on the type of loan that you are getting. And there are even some 100% financing and down payment assistance options that I'm going to talk about later in this video. I've done a video previously that I'll post a link to in the comments about different loan types. Definitely check that out so you can understand what the minimum down payment requirements are for various loan types, but you don't need 20% down. 20% just allows you to avoid an extra monthly fee called PMI, which is private mortgage insurance. Again, you have options of 3 to 5% down as your minimum down payment, depending on your financing type. And for other borrowers, there could be the ability to take advantage of 100% or down payment assistance programs, and I'll get to those later. For my first down payment hack, ditch your traditional bank and go open a high yield savings account. Not everyone is ready to buy a home overnight. People generally spend some time saving up for their home purchase, whether it's their first home or a second home that they're moving up to. And you don't have to have all of your down payment overnight. You can take time to save up. You're not making any money with your money sitting in a traditional bank savings account. Just to give you an example, right now at Wells Fargo, their standard savings account is offering 0.15%, 0.15% interest rate. Their platinum savings account is offering 0.25% interest. Why would you keep your money there when you could go somewhere like Ally Bank or American Express and do a high yield savings account and get 3.75%? It's not going to make you a millionaire overnight, but you're going to make a lot more than what you are in a traditional bank. I mean, you're getting peanuts at 0.15 and 0.25% interest rate. Can really help boost yourself along in your savings process by putting your savings account in a high yield account and just keep compounding that interest every month. After a year or two of saving, you'll probably have enough extra to maybe pay for your inspection fees on top of your down payment. So definitely look at your options and consider making the switch. The second down payment hack is to look at if you have any opportunities for gift funds. And not everyone's going to have this option, but if you do, gift funds are going to need to come from an immediate family member like a parent or grandparent. The gift funds are not required to be paid back. That means whoever is gifting you, remember, they're gifting it to you. It's a present. They're not loaning it to you. That gift, they are not requiring that money to be paid back. And in order to confirm that, the bank is going to require the gifter of that money to document that in writing. They're going to have to write a letter to the bank stating that I am gifting X amount of dollars to my X immediate family member, and I do not expect this money to be paid back. Your third down payment hack option is going to be for those that have already started on the journey of saving for retirement. Even if you're young, your place of work might offer this as an option. If you have a 401k, contact your plan's administrator and see if you have the ability to withdraw any of your 401k savings to use as a down payment on your primary residence. Now, you do have to be very careful and ask about if there are any penalties, how much you're allowed to take out, and if there are any other rules or restrictions on time frame, amount, or what that money can be used for in terms of your home purchase. Down payment hack number 4 is going to be down payment assistance programs. Everywhere is going to have some type of special incentive, whether it's on the city, the county, or the state level. Here in Columbia, South Carolina, the city of Columbia has a special city loan program that has a very low down payment requirement that a lot of buyers purchasing within the city limits of Columbia can take advantage of. There are going to be restrictions on that. The counties in our area, Richland and Lexington County, they both have a grant program. I believe it's around $5,000 for those buyers that qualify based on income for the area and who are purchasing in that specific county. You could be eligible to receive a grant, and that can be used for your down payment funds. South Carolina, the state of South Carolina has a state housing program, and they offer a down payment assistance program that gives $8,000 that a home buyer can use for their down payment and some of their closing costs. Again, there are requirements and restrictions that you, and sometimes even the property, might have to meet. Obviously, state of South Carolina, the home has to be here in South Carolina, but a lot of home buyers take advantage of these programs every single year. Make sure that you're working with a quality real estate agent that is used to helping buyers that might need a little bit of assistance sourcing that down payment, because they're going to know what your best options are and what lenders to send you to so that you can discuss getting that boost that you might need to get into your home. Down payment hack number 5 is 100% financing loans. Again, I've done some videos on different loan types that are going to be linked in the comments, so be sure to check that out. But there are 2 loan types that offer 100% financing. They don't require a down payment, and that's going to be USDA and VA loans. There are also some local banks and credit unions that have special in-house loan products that offer 100% financing. That's going to be geared towards higher credit, moderate income borrower. Some places here in the Columbia, South Carolina area, just off the top of my head, that offer this are going to be Regions Bank, South State Bank, First Citizens Bank, and Ameris and Synovus also have those programs. I hope that these down payment hacks are going to make your real estate journey a lot easier. Be sure to check the description for links to home buyer and relocation resources that are for you. Hit like and subscribe. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope to see you soon.